Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer property with Fidelity National Title step by step clearly. To begin the property transfer process with Fidelity National Title, gather all necessary documents. These typically include the current title deed, identification, and any relevant agreements. Next, contact Fidelity National Title to initiate the transfer. You can do this through their website or by calling their office directly. Once in touch, express your intent to transfer the property. An agent will guide you through the specific requirements based on your location. Prepare to provide details about the property being transferred. This includes the property address, legal description, and any existing liens. Fidelity National Title will then create a title order. This order initiates the title search process to ensure there are no outstanding issues. Review any preliminary title reports you receive from Fidelity. These reports will highlight any potential claims or encumbrances. Address any issues mentioned in the preliminary title report. This may include settling liens or obtaining necessary releases. After resolving any concerns, finalize the transfer documents. Fidelity will prepare the necessary paperwork for you to sign. Review all documents carefully before signing. Ensure that all names and property descriptions are correct. Once you have signed the documents, Fidelity will guide you through the closing process. This may involve coordinating with other parties, such as lenders or real estate agents. Prepare to pay any closing costs associated with the transfer. These costs may include title insurance fees, transfer taxes, and other charges. After all paperwork is signed and fees are paid, the transfer will be recorded. Fidelity National Title will handle the recording of the deed. You will receive a copy of the recorded deed for your records. Finally, confirm that the title insurance policy is issued in the new owner's name. This ensures protection against potential future claims on the property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.